Good evening, fellow master speakers and guests. My name is Master Speaker Nishchal Goda. I was born on 22nd November 2014 on Saturday. I was born and brought up in Hubli. My father's name is Ramesh Yoda. He works as a managing director and vice secretary at CIC group of institutions. My mother's name is Ashwini. She is a housewife. My favorite hero is my father and my favorite heroine is my mother. My hobbies are reading, cycling, playing, etc. I have a dream to become a doctor. I am studying in 4th standard at Parivartan Gurukul Heritage, Akshaynagar, Hubli. My favorite car is Rolls-Royce. My favorite place is Himachal Pradesh. My favorite color is red. I have one younger sister. Her name is Nirukta. She is studying in later on the school in Shirur Park, 2nd stage, Hubli. I play with my friends twice a day on Saturday and Sunday. My friends' names are Advait, Anmol, Vijay, Amay. We play like cricket, football, cycling, etc. My grandmother's name is Sunanda and my grandfather's name is Shivanand. My grandmother is a housewife. My grandfather works as a bank manager at Kimij Bank, Hubli. My brother-in-law works as a manager at KOF at Hameri. I got first prize in Abacus state level orals competition and Abacus mental arithmetic competition held on 8th January 2023 and 6th August 2023. Thank you and have a fabulous Monday.
Hello, good evening to everyone. I am back and I am the evaluator of Master Speaker Nishchal Gowda. The speaker was well said and his structure was well formed, and the speaker could say a little slowly. You were very fast. It was looking like you had a rush and you had to go somewhere. We got to know a lot about your family and about your parents, your grandparents and their occupation, your sister, your father, about your family. And the speaker could learn how to elaborate the topic. You could say you had said about different topics. You had said about the quantity, but you didn't focus on the quality. And you had said about your achievements, about the Abacus achievement, and you had talked about everything recently. And you had everything specific, even about your sister, her school's address, your house, and everything was very specific, and you had it in very deep. But you could use the speaker could use the time, and the speaker could manage the time. Thank you.
Back to the theme. There are two types of listening. That one is verbal listening and the other one is non-verbal listening. What is verbal listening? What I am doing is verbal listening. I am speaking, you're able to grasp it. Non-verbal speaking means, any one of you watched Pushpa Kavimana, the old Hindi film? No? Yeah. In that movie, there is not even a single word that has been spoken. It's just through their body language or their facial expression. So, without an empathic listening, we all just like to evaluate or interrupt into others. What is empathic listening? Empathic listening means just concentrate with your eyes, ears and heart and listen to other person for their feelings, for their behavior and etc. Not just assuming the other person. You just stand or think from the viewpoint of others and listen to others. Now back to the second segment. The second segment is the extempore topic.
Good evening to fellow master speakers and guests. I am Master Speaker Nishkash to speak about AI. Can someone tell me what is AI? Yes? Yes, artificial intelligence has become a very particular thing and which should be always used for a person. According to today's technology, everyone uses technology in a very good manner, and there are some people who use it in bad way. So artificial intelligence is a thing which can be used. For example, it is in available in phones. Example is Chat GPT. You may be knowing it. And there is a person named Ayush who is artificial intelligence master, and I have seen his video currently yesterday, and so I have some idea about this topic. So artificial intelligence helps us in any manner, just like Google, it helps you. But artificial intelligence, if you have a picture and you want to make it speak, like example a cartoon, you can make it speak in your way you want to speak, how you want to make it speak. So it will use your verbs and your words. Artificial intelligence is a very good thing which is invented by the person. So person who have invented technology, they are using it as a good manner. When it is in use, like if you want to ask something or make something, you can use it. Thank you.
Good evening, master speakers and guests. I am Master Speaker Kashvi, and the topic I've got is, are we forgetting our culture? So yes, we are forgetting our culture. How? So now when we look about our clothes, before we would wear our traditional clothes. Now it's all changed. Nobody here is wearing traditional clothes, right? We don't usually wear it. We are forgetting the culture. In my home also, the language, what we should speak, I'm not speaking that. We speak Hindi, not the language what we should speak. And our normal jeans and tops are also replaced by baggy jeans and oversized tops. What other countries, it has come from other countries. We cook different food, usually the fast food, Maggi, pasta, rather than the home food what we get, like our Indian food. Rather than that, we are preparing all this food. And when we talk about the culture, we are forgetting from where we come from, our God. We are forgetting all those things. Thank you.
There are 4 listening roadblocks. First is spacing out. That means when somebody is speaking, our mind will be wandering all around. Next is pretending listening. That means we pretend to listen to some others, but we will not be listening to others. The third is selective listening, where we only take only a part of which is required to us and leave the other part. Then selfish listening, where we always bring back the conversation to ourselves. That means, for example, I also had this in my life. We always drag the conversation to ourselves. This is the selfish listening. So I'd like to tell you 4 points that helps you to listen carefully. First thing is, always listen carefully to the others who are speaking. Second one is, think from the viewpoint of others. Don't interrupt in between the others whenever they are speaking. And thank you. Back to the third segment, that is.
Thank you for the great introduction. Today I am the jokes master and my name is Harsh. Today I am going to tell some jokes. If you don't like it, I am not responsible. And if you like it, please laugh. First one. This is a teacher and student joke. A teacher asked the student, Sana, how if you have $5 and ask your mother how many, give more 5. How many dollars would you have? The student tells, Sir, I would have only $5. Sir told, why? How? The student told, you don't know my mother, sir. She will not give me $5 like that only. And the second one, a doctor and a patient. For a patient comes to a doctor and tells that, Sir, doctor, wherever I touch, it hurts. The doctor asks, what do you mean by that? The patient says, wherever I touch my shoulders, it really hurts. To my knees, ouch. And to my forehead, it really hurts. The doctor understood what happened. He told that, I know what's wrong with you. You have a broken finger. And the last one is Sai asked Nikhil, what are you doing? Nikhil replied, I am recording the baby's voice. Sahil asked, why are you recording it? Nikhil tells, after he grows up, I will ask him what is the meaning of that. If you really loved it, thank you.
Good evening, Master Speakers and guests. I am Master Speaker Anchal and I am playing the role of GK Master. Did you know the popular game of snake and ladders are organized in India? The most common name used in the world is Muhammad. You cannot lick your own. It is impossible to lick your own elbow. Your heart beats for 1 lakh times in a day. You cannot kill yourself by holding your breath. Rajasthan has a temple for rats. Japan is also known as the land of rising sun. Wearing headphones for just an hour increases the bacteria in your ear by 700 times.
What is a very important in the life? Listening. What is tree pollution? Yes. Which school does Hasnan go? Yes. What does the tree give? Yes. What is name of Nishchar father? Yes. Who is speech evaluator of Master Speaker Bhuvi? Yes. What is a AI? Yes, thank you.
Evaluator of Master Speaker Bhuvi, Master Speaker Gunjan, 28 seconds disqualified. Icebreaker Master Speaker Nishchay disqualified, 1 minute 50 seconds. Master Speaker Niskarsh 54 seconds disqualified. Thank you. Only 5 people were disqualified. Remaining all of them are qualified. Thank you.
We all have to implement these evaluations for the next meeting too. First we start with the Sergeant at Arms. Good introduction given, and you even spoke good. Master of Ceremony, you gave a superb introduction about the topic. Then you gave nice feedbacks. Timing master, you gave good and you gave a loud speech. Listening master, it was a good introduction. Grammar master, superb. Filler counter, you need to improve. Do not use the filler word a in your speech. Rest all was good. Then speech evaluator, you need to prepare. Speech evaluator of speech 2, 3 and 4, that is Master Speaker Gunjan, you need to improve, but you gave a good feedback. Only one thing that I would like to say is not to laugh on the stage or giggle. Master Speaker jokes, Master Speaker Hush, they were good jokes, they really made us laugh. Then GK Master, Master Speaker Anshul, good jokes, only thing is you have to prepare. Then that is all. The meeting went good. Thank you.